Luxury cruise or budget cruise is paying more really worth it today? I'll show you the real difference cruise companies don't tell you. Welcome back to Cruise Life Experience. If you're planning a cruise vacation or confused between a luxury cruise and a budget cruise, then this video will help you make the best decision. In this video, we'll compare cruise cost, cabins, food, entertainment, and the overall cruise experience. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll reveal which option gives the best value for money. Part 1, Price Cost Comparison. ETs. Start with the biggest factor, price. A budget cruise usually costs around $200 to $800 per person for a few days. But a luxury cruise that can start from $3,000 and go up to $10,000. Now the real question is a luxury cruise actually worth that price? Luxury cruises usually include premium dining, unlimited drinks, personalized service, exclusive access areas, while in budget cruises, you often have to pay extra for many of these things. Part 2, Cabin Experience. Now let's talk about cabins, where you'll spend most of your time. Budget cruise cabins. Smaller rooms, basic beds, limited space. Luxury cruise cabins. Spacious rooms, smiling face with heart eyes, private balcony views, sunrise. Premium interior design, sometimes even a private butler. Clearly, luxury cruise cabins offer a much better experience, but not everyone needs that level of comfort. Part 3, Food and Dining. Now the most exciting part, food. Budget cruise. Buffet-style meals, limited variety. Some premium restaurants cost extra. Luxury cruise 5-star dining experience, unlimited premium meals, fine dining options, high-quality ingredients. If you're a food lover, luxury cruises are next level amazing. Part 4, Entertainment Activities. A cruise is not just about rooms and food, entertainment matters too. Budget cruise basic shows, pool activities, limited options. Luxury cruise, live performances, private events, spa and wellness, exclusive onboard experiences. Luxury cruises give you a VIP lifestyle experience that budget cruises usually don't. Part 5, Service and Experience. This is where the biggest difference shows up. Budget cruise, standard service staff is often busy, less personal attention. Luxury cruise, 24/7 premium service staff remembers your name, fully personalized experience. Luxury cruises truly feel like a high-end, stress-free vacation. Part 6, Final Verdict. So, which one is better, luxury cruise or budget cruise? If you want affordable travel and just want to experience cruise life, budget cruise is a great option, but if you want comfort, luxury, premium service, and a stress-free vacation, luxury cruise is 100% worth it. If you found this comparison helpful, budget, normal service, less personal attention. Luxury, 24/7 premium service, staff knows your name, feels like VIP treatment all the time. Here's what most people don't realize. Many travelers book budget cruises and end up spending almost the same after extras. So always compare total cost, not just ticket price. This one decision can either save you thousands or completely waste your money. If you're planning a cruise and confused between luxury and budget, this video will save you money and help you choose the right experience. Life on a cruise ship is a unique and exciting experience filled with comfort, adventure, and relaxation. As the ship sails across the vast ocean, passengers enjoy beautiful views of the sea and sky, especially during sunrise and sunset. Days are full of fun activities such as swimming, games, live music, and delicious dining from around the world. At night, the ship comes alive with entertainment like shows, dancing, and social gatherings. Travelers also get the chance to visit different countries and explore new cultures at each port. Cruise life offers a perfect mix of luxury and discovery, making every moment memorable. Some passengers prefer relaxing at nearby beaches, while others explore cities and historical sites. Port days add variety and adventure to cruise life, making the trip more enjoyable and memorable. A luxury cruise or a budget cruise. See you in the next video with another amazing cruise experience. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Cruise Life Experience. And tell me in the comments, would you choose